Hello, my name is Glennceria, and welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands, where I show you how I make my handmade artisan soaps and luxurious skincare treats. We have a wonderful video today. We are storing all of our natural bath bomb embeds, okay? But before we get started, let me just say to my old subscribers, thank you so much for holding me down. I truly appreciate you. And to my new subscribers, welcome, welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands. I appreciate you as well. So does the family. Well, come on, let's get into this video. Okay, so what we have here are our all natural bath bomb embeds that we made. So now we're going to talk about ways of storing them. So it's recommended that you store them in airtight containers. So these are jars, glass jars that I have. I believe I picked these up from the 99-cent store years ago. You can get mason jars, it doesn't matter. Keep your salsa jars, any type of jars that you can get your hand in, or big enough. The mouth is big enough that you can work with it. Okay, seasoning jars. My organic seasoning jars that I get from Sam's, or you can get them from Costco's. Just take the label off, and there you go. You have a jar, okay? All kinds, it doesn't matter. Just as long as you have a jar. How's everyone doing today? I hope you're doing good. I'm doing good. I'm going to put gloves on, even though you don't really necessarily have to. You can also use plastic bags. You can also just store them in a plastic bag, but it's recommended that you keep them somewhere airtight until you're ready to use them. Keep them fresh. The recipe was real simple, guys. It was equal parts when you're making your embeds. Not necessarily the bath bombs is equal parts, but the embeds, yes. The embeds were, you can do 1 cup of baking soda to 1 cup of citric acid. That's it. You're using your bath bomb colorants or your mica from a 1/2 teaspoon to 1 teaspoon. It's your preference, is how dark you want it, your water to be. Let's start packing. How dark you want your waters to be. So I don't like too much color in my soaps or anything that I do. I really don't like a lot of color. So you could think about that too. Take that in consideration. And that's it. Spray bottle with some alcohol in it. Now these have been sitting in the mold for a while. So if these crumble up and come out, I'm not going to worry about them. Because I should have took them out days ago. But that's a start. And all you're going to do is just place them in. Wednesday. Tell me in the comment below, guys, what's going on? What's up? Let me give you the quote of today. The quote of today is just be you. All I'm doing is sticking my finger in the bottom to bring up, to raise it up. That's all I'm doing. Once you make your embeds, your embed can just dry out for a couple of hours, and then you can release them from the mold. If you have them in the mold, you can leave them overnight, and then just place them in wherever you want to place them in until you're ready to use them. So we have the ones that we made with the 1/2 teaspoon and the teaspoon. Okay, we have those as well. We have our little gumdrops. Let's see the gumballs. Let's see. Did these come out? I probably left them in the mold too long, but there they go. They're popping out. And like I said, I'm going to show you what we're going to do with the crumble part. We're not going to throw that away. We're not going to discard that. All of this can be used to make your bath bombs, okay? So we're finally in our bath bomb series. Our hearts. So let's see how the hearts came out. Let's see. Oh, there you go. I probably left them in the mold too long. There you go. Beautiful, right? No scent. Don't waste no fragrance or essential oil on your scent. It's unnecessary. right, so here we are. We have yellow embeds, bath bomb embeds. We have a nice little lilac lavender color. Cute little peachy coral color. We have green. I did multicolor pieces. We have light blue. Beautiful, right? We have our dark blue. It came out really nice, right? And now we are ready to make bath bombs, right? You don't have to use embeds, guys. You really don't need embed. It's just that extra special pop, surprise, that I like to do when I make some of my bath bombs, okay? All right, isn't that beautiful? And then like I said, I have the pieces that I made. It's in the bag. Let me bring you up so you can see me. There we go. We're done for today. Guess what? I'll see you in the next video. You have a wonderful day. Love you. Mwah. See you in the next video. Come on, let's make bath bombs. Bye for now.